Okay, so I'm shooting a video to kind of show what warranty we have on the wart roofs as opposed to what roofs Wedge is going to redo. So this is 60 cinnamon teal where we're going to start. And here, I'm not sure if you can see my laser in this video. Yeah, you can. It should show it pretty well. So this roof right here in 60 cinnamon teal is 100% DBS done and completed. So any issues related to 60 cinnamon teal for down below in this first living room would be on us, both the tie-in and everything. So this roof off here to the right, we did a little repair here. So I'm suspecting that Wedge is going to redo this whole roof as part of their planned replacement roof deal. Same thing with the up atop roofs. The roofs up top here and up top here, we did little patches on these. So I suspect they're going to do the whole roofs over 60 cinnamon teal for this roof here, and this roof here, as well as this roof over here to the right over the garage, and as part of doing this entire complex. So pretty easy. We have this one lower roof and obviously the chimney stack. So that's going to be 60 cinnamon teal. As far as 4 puffin goes, we have a little more, obviously much more roof. So in 60 cinnamon teal, or in 4 puffin court, the lower roof here over, we did all of these roofs here in the view. We did the roof over the living room, we did the roof over the entry, we did the whole roof over this entire top section here, as well as the whole roof over the little garage bump out. So that's pretty straightforward. We did all of those roofs. The roofs we did not do that Wedge is going to want to do are on top of 4 puffin court, the master bedroom, and that's the whole complex common roof all the way down. We did not do the flat roof that's over 4 puffin, that goes down and again covers kind of the rest of the complex going down. And we did not do the other half of 4 puffin roof common over here. This is the one that we probably need to be super clear on. So and I'll accept some when you look at this roof, you can see this here is 4 puffin, and we did the roof over 4 puffin, and we stopped it and tied it in right here between the two. So I'm going to warranty this entire section of roof right here on 4 puffin. So this is I'm going to take the whole warranty, so including all these ties in. So this is kind of a good plant view here. So here's where we tied it in. So we have this whole roof is ours. This whole roof is existing. So Wedge should come in and replace this roof over 8 puffin court and take care of these ties in here. And then here's this upper roof right here that we didn't do. And here's the other. So Wedge is going to do all this going to the left here. So if Wedge does this roof, I'll accept the responsibility for the tie-in over here, the patch. Me and Wedge, if there was ever any issues with a leak right here, I would work it out with Wedge, and one way or the other, we would take care of it. So, and I'll accept ownership of that. So, you know, I trust Wedge. I trust they're competent enough to do that. And that patch until they do that roof is obviously all on me. So that is going to be the warranty work. So again, this is 4 puffin. We have this upper roof here. We did this whole entire plane, so we have everything related to 4 puffin here, not the flat roof right over here, and the rest of the roof going forward. This common roof right here between the trees is the roof that's common to 8 puffin and transitions to the master bedroom of 4 puffin. So hopefully that's clear. I'll put that in verbiage as well. It's kind of our warranty, right? You can kind of see we have the entire plane above this because it's one big common plane, 4 puffin right here. And this is a good view of 60 cinnamon teal because you can see how we have this whole lower plane here, which is over the living room of 60 cinnamon teal and everything related to that. And then Wedge is obviously going to do all this to the left. You can kind of see her patch up the edge. So they should redo that roof. Until they get to it, we will accept responsibility for that patch in. So pretty clear. So yeah, okay, that should do it. And I'm going to post this on YouTube in a video, so it'll live in perpetuity, and should be fine. Okay, thanks.